climbing up the coconut tree. It's kind of slippery. Okay, are you ready?
Wait.
Yeah. Oh shit! You almost.
Should I twist it?
Yeah, twist it.
Hey guys,
Woo!
it's Alik, NatureWithAlik. I'm here on the top of the tree, so
Oh.
I'm gonna grab. Oh my God, I can't do
Oh.
it anymore. It's too high.
Yeah.
Okay, Frank, where are you?
I mean.
Okay, you waiting for me?
Yeah.
Calm down. Be careful.
Be careful.
Oh my God.
Ah!
Coming down. Oh my God.
Where are you?
That was too high. Okay. Woo! That was on the top of the mountains.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Here we go.
I
And
harvested my
we're
first
gonna chop
coconut.
that.
Yes,
Okay.
let's make it ready.